used to teach me and they used to mention कि सचिन तुम लिख लिख के पढ़ो. मामा जी ना ऐसे like पता नहीं 10th 12th क्लास के एग्जाम्स उनसे पहले 10 मिनट पहले जाने से 10 मिनट पहले भी हमेशा लिखते थे. एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके मेक सेंस. मैं लिख के पढ़ा था एंड विच वाज फाइन. बट फिर मम्मी मुझे मामा जी एग्जाम्पल दे दिया. एंड आई वाज लाइक मम्मा आप तो खुद का एग्जाम्पल दो. लाइक आप क्यों मामा जी एग्जाम्पल दे रहे हो. But anyways, yeah, I mean, I understood their point, and yeah, thanks for being an inspiration for all of us. Enjoy your 70th birthday.
Hi Mama Ji, wish you a very happy 70th birthday. I remember like the first time when I talked to you was on a family Zoom call, and yeah, like Sachin has told me a lot about you beforehand as well, and I thought like, okay, Mama Ji's a silent person. He
Chill
doesn't,
guy.
yeah, he doesn't like talk much. But I remember the moment I joined the call, you were the first person who asked me, where do you work and what do you do and like how many siblings do you have and all those basic questions. And yeah, so like for me at least it was like completely different side. So yeah,
for us as well.
Yeah, I think everyone was surprised at that time. But yeah, it's so nice to like have you in the family, and it's so nice that you have become granddad. So you have got new responsibilities and roles in your 70th run. So hope you enjoy that too. Yeah, hope to see you soon in California if you happen to visit. Enjoy your day.
Bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi भैया, happy birthday. This is your 70th birthday and 70th birthday is definitely a milestone. हमारी पूरी फैमिली में आपकी बहुत ही डिसिप्लिन लाइफ रहती है और आपके कारण ही हम लोग कई बार बहुत सारी जगह साथ में घूम पाए हैं. और उस वक्त इनफॉर्मल मीटिंग होती है, इनफॉर्मल वे में हम लोग अपने साथ रहते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं. आप ऐसे ही लाइफ लीड करते रहें और एंजॉय करें. थैंक यू.
Hi Mama Ji, wish you a very happy 70th birthday. I hope that you're having a great time down there with Rochan, Smita, Mami Ji, Avni and Dua. Hope you're having lots of fun on your 70th. And yeah, I want to share a few memories, few stories of you which I've been told over this time. One of the earliest things which I remember, which I was told multiple times by Nanaji and Naniji, is not to go near Salma. Salma was the dog which we had when she's eating or doing something. They always told me, Mama ji एक बार गए थे, उन्होंने Salma की पूंछ खींच ली थी जब वो खाना खा रही थी, and she bit him very badly. So since then I've always been very cautious around dogs who are eating or doing anything. Another memory which I have is from your house in Bombay. One of the first times I visited is the one, the Pedder Road house. I remember playing Road Rush there, which I did play with Rochan. But lots of fun. I love that game. First kind of proper game I played. Very good memories, very happy memories from that trip. And yeah, once I came back to Jaipur, I actually made Nanaji buy that game for me. So yeah, I hope you're having a great time. We miss you here. You've been an inspiration to us all, and wish you a very happy 70th. Have lots of fun.
Hi Mama Ji, wishing you a very happy 70th birthday. I hope this is a very special one. One being it the 70th and second you're getting to spend it with Abhi and Dua. So hope you're really having a good time. My initial memories of you are, the first time I visited you at your Low Parade house. This was before my marriage. I was visiting you and meeting all you guys for the first time. And also at that point in time, I was really scared of dogs, and there was Minnie at home then. But I do remember when I'd come home, you guys made me feel so comfortable and so much at ease. I was so happy, and I didn't feel like it was the first time I was meeting you guys. You made me really comfortable, so thanks a lot for it. Post from then to now, so many other memories, and over the years, I've got to spend more time with you, and I've known you better and more. from the time of mom's 60th birthday, the times at Ramgarh Lodge, when I saw you flying kites and how happy you were. I saw you lifting up mom when you were so happy about her 60th birthday and you completely lifted her up. That was such a nice moment to witness. You being so happy. Post that, even the times during Sachin's wedding, all the dance practices and so cutely you and Mami ji.
हेलो भैया, आपके बारे में याद करूं तो मुझे याद है बचपन में मम्मी आपके बारे में बहुत अच्छी अच्छी कहानियां सुनाया करती थी।
She's
बिल्कुल
currently
ऐसे
in
हैं,
San
बिल्कुल
Francisco.
ऐसे
Oh,
हैं।
okay.
Angela.
बट आपसे बचपन में मुझे ज़्यादा मिलने का ध्यान ही नहीं है। मैं जब भी जयपुर आई आप शायद उस टाइम बॉम्बे थे, कनाडा थे, तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं है। बस मौसी से भी आपकी कहानियाँ सुनती थी और मम्मी से भी आपकी कहानियाँ सुनती थी। फिर आप बॉम्बे थे और जब मैंने हैदराबाद में जॉब शुरू की तब आपसे कनेक्शन हुआ। We both had the Reliance phone and it was like free talking and free SMS, and that time I think we talked a lot. And then I was getting married, and I remember you asking me that are you sure about Anand? So it came with from such a place of concern. I was really feeling good about that. Yeah, someone is thinking about whether I'm making a right decision in life or not, and so it was really good. It was coming from such a place of affection and concern. And उसके बाद तो I mean obviously I have not been in constant touch with you, but you have always been there, and whenever I need a suggestion on some financial investment or anything, I call you, and it's been really good. And lately what you've started all your whether it's Trek or Vipassana, I took a lot of inspiration from you to do Vipassana. After you did it and you spoke about it, I thought I should do it again. I should do it as well, and so I did that. So I think you've been there as a constant inspiration, and as a person who all of us look up to. And so on your 70th birthday, wishing you a lot of happiness, a lot of health. Keep being there as our inspiration, keep inspiring us, keep doing different things which you do, and have a happy life.
हाय भैया, हैप्पी बर्थडे। आई विश कि तुम ऐसे ही एनर्जेटिक बने रहो, खूब बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियों के डायरेक्टर्स बनो और उनसे जुड़ी हुई बहुत सारी बातें हमें बताओ, हमें भी सुनकर मज़ा आए, अच्छा लगे। आई विश यदि ज़िंदगी के पन्नों को पलटती हूँ और फ्लैशबैक में जाती हूँ तो शायद सबसे ज़्यादा यादें प्रिंसिपल साहब वाले मकान से जुड़ी हुई हैं। वहाँ पर वो पेड़ पे चढ़कर बेर तोड़ना, करौंदे तोड़ना, पतंगे लूटना। मैं तुम्हारे लिए पतंग लूटती थी, फिर तुम्हारे थप्पड़ खाती थी, हालांकि वही पतंग तुम उड़ाते थे। फिर एक बार वो कुत्ते ने, लाइका डॉगी था हमारे पास, उसने तुम्हारे सिर पे, तुम उसकी थाली बजा रहे थे तो उसने तुम्हारे सिर पे पंजा मारा था, बहुत खून निकला था। दोपहर में जब मम्मी डैडी सो जाते थे तो तुम माचिस के डब्बे ला कर उसकी तीलियों के जो हेड होता है उसको चाबी में, जो होल वाली चाबी होती है उसमें भरते थे, वो पूरी भर जाती थी तो उसमें की लगा के हम उसको बम फोड़ते थे, चाबी बम कहलाता था। ऐसी बहुत सारी शैतानियाँ तुम्हारी जब मैं बच्चों को बताती हूँ तो उनको शायद कभी उनको विश्वास ही नहीं होता कि दीपक मामा इतने नोटी भी हो सकते हैं, इतने नोटी थे। और डैडी के नोट्स राइटिंग तो शायद तुम क्लास 10th 11th में थे तभी से करने लगे थे, डैडी के नोट्स राइटिंग में हेल्प करते थे। एग्ज़ाम देने जाते थे, उससे आधा घंटे पहले तक लिखते ही रहते थे। एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम मेरे लिए होती थी कि दीपक की बहन है, कुछ अच्छा करूं, दीपक की बहन है, ऐसा तो करेगी, खराब हो जाए, अरे दीपक की बहन होकर इसने ऐसा किया, हमेशा यही होता रहता था। फिर 10th में जब मेरा फर्स्ट डिवीज़न आया तो तुमने मुझे साइकिल गिफ्ट की थी। वो साइकिल शायद मैंने एमकॉम तक मेरे पास वही साइकिल रही थी, वही साइकिल मैंने चलाई, बस ऐसे ही लाइफ चल रही थी। मम्मी डैडी जब नहीं रहे तो मुझे लगा कि एक बहुत बड़ा वैक्यूम सा आ गया था, बहुत बड़ा वैक्यूम सा आ गया था। मुझे लगता था कि मेरे को ये एहसास ही नहीं था कि एक्चुअली नहीं था कि तुम मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा सपोर्ट सिस्टम हो। मैं तुमको बहुत ही बड़ा मानती थी, तुमसे बात करने में हिचकती थी, पर धीरे धीरे मैंने अपने आप ही रियलाइज़ किया कि तुम शायद मेरे लिए भगवान से भी बढ़कर हो गए। मेरा एक अनकंडीशनल सपोर्ट सिस्टम जिससे मैं कोई भी बात, कैसी भी बात हमेशा शेयर कर सकती हूँ, एंड हु इज़ ऑलवेज विद मी इन ऑल द कंडीशंस। आई विश कि ऐसा भाई सबको मिले। वैसे मैं खास हूँ इसलिए मुझे मिला है ऐसा भाई। मम्मी डैडी भी ऊपर से देखकर हमें आशीर्वाद दे रहे होंगे, खुश होंगे हमारे प्यार को देखकर, हमारे भरे पूरे परिवार को देखकर। ऐसे ही तुम बच्चों के साथ एंजॉय करो, खुश रहो। अगेन ऑल द बेस्ट।
स्वीट कमल।
More. Isn't it more?
हाँ है ना वो सुमित इज देयर।
Hello everyone. It's a very happy occasion that we are discussing. It's Deepak's birthday 70th. Wow, what a milestone. Deepak, welcome to this bracket of 70s. Welcome. I'm already there. I stand here to welcome. Anyway, many happy returns of the day, and may you have a good, long, happy session ahead. Looking forward to life. Anyway, I'll introduce myself. I'm Sumit Das. Deepak and I are childhood friends since school days. We went to school together, and
You had
we
gone to meet him,
skinned our
remember, in
hearts and
Delhi?
skinned our knees together, played together, and went to school together, studied together, and spent a childhood together. Deepak and I, we took our high school, that is ISC, Indian School Certificate, together in the year 1970. Well, Deepak scored and I scraped through, obviously. Then we stepped into college days, and I, of course, as a normal college student, freshly in college, I went through my college life through fun and frolic, whereas Deepak was sharply focused, dedicated to the academics, and in the process, he did his graduation, topping the university in the accountancy, and he earned a gold medal for accountancy in the Rajasthan University. That was the first medal that his college, that is Parikh College, got. For the first time, there was a record in sorts. Anyway, life went on, and Deepak took the probationary officer's exams, banking, and in his first attempt, he clinched the SBI. And thereafter, everything's history. Everything's history. Basically. Anyway, so Deepak, he is a man of few words, speaks less, and he may have a lot of acquaintances, but friends, very few. In fact, you can just count them on your fingertips. He speaks less, he is a lot, but is deeply attached. In fact, since he speaks less, so people around him have to watch him in his silence too. In sort of ways, we have to listen to his silence to understand it completely. Really great chap. He's very affectionate, very loving, and very caring. I must say. Anyway, just to share a few things at the cost of repeating myself before Deepak, I'll recollect and recount my school days experience, our school days experience, a small anecdote about Deepak. Anyway, here it goes. We had our English classes, which was done by a class teacher, Father Zubricki. His class used to come as the fifth session, which was after the lunch break. And he used to teach us English literature. And the book that he was teaching us was Midsummer's Night's Dream, Shakespeare. And you can imagine, post lunch, when we all are drowsy, falling off to sleep, and Midsummer's Night Dream was being taught to us. So the inevitable used to happen. Me and Deepak, we were the front benchers. We were the front benchers because the seating arrangement was in terms of height. So me and Deepak were the front benchers. So Father Zubricki, while reading out a passage of Shakespeare, he realized that Deepak had gone off to sleep with his eyes open, smartly. He noticed that. He suddenly comes forward during the course of his lecture and he stoops down to Deepak's desk, faces him, and snaps, "Hey Deepak, what are you wondering?" Deepak awakens immediately, comes to the present instantaneously, stands up, and nonchalantly replies, "Father, there are 7 wonders in this world." Actually, Father, I asked him, "What are you wondering?" So he picked up that word wonder. The father says, "Well, which are they?" So Deepak collects his wits and he goes to repeat all these 7 wonders without a flaw. After he finished, Father smiles and says, "Well, Deepak, you are the 8th. You may now sit down." The whole class went out in approaching laughter. It was really wonderful. And Deepak was utterly bewildered what went wrong because his answer was right. Well, those were small snippets.
इनसे हम कितना
about
मिलते हैं, he
school
has never said. We meet very
I
often.
remember
His daughter
that
is in Bombay.
I used to go to the
I don't know why it's not been done properly. Whoever's done this. So like, it's not why hasn't
बहुत
this
देर तक
worked?
बैठते हैं, बहुत आते हैं हमारे घर.
After school, but those days the ISC exam used to be